Are you feeling a heavy sensation in your legs by the end of the day? Do your joints crack, feel stiff, or cause discomfort? These symptoms might not be solely due to aging, but could stem from dietary choices. Collagen, a vital protein, is essential for maintaining strong joints, reducing leg swelling, and improving mobility. This article explores 15 collagen-rich foods that naturally enhance collagen production, offering a practical and effective way to support your legs and joints. Some of these foods may surprise you with their effectiveness, and incorporating them into your daily routine can yield results comparable to or better than expensive supplements. By the end, you'll learn how to integrate these ingredients for optimal joint health, reduce swelling, and a lighter step. Let's dive into the list and explore how these foods can transform your well-being. Fish broth, made from bones like those of sardines or fish heads, is a collagen-rich elixir packed with vital minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. These nutrients strengthen tendons, ligaments, and joints, preventing wear and tear. Marine collagen, known for its rapid absorption, is particularly effective for those with joint pain, making fish broth a key dietary addition for improving mobility and reducing inflammation. A daily spoonful can significantly boost energy levels and joint function. Fish broth also enhances internal joint hydration through amino acids like glycine and proline, which promote natural joint lubrication. This reduces discomfort during activities like walking, squatting, or climbing stairs, offering a natural alternative to costly supplements. The broth's mild flavor pairs well with vegetables, roots, and natural seasonings, creating nutritious, therapeutic meals. Using the whole fish promotes sustainability, making this a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. However, caution is advised to avoid swallowing bones, which can pose a choking risk. Egg whites are a potent source of proline and glycine, two amino acids essential for collagen production. These nutrients help preserve joint integrity and support connective tissue recovery, reducing inflammation and chronic discomfort. By acting as an internal safeguard, egg whites cushion bones, minimizing joint stress. Their high-quality protein content also strengthens muscles, which is crucial for maintaining proper joint alignment and reducing strain, particularly on knees and ankles. Low in calories and fat, egg whites are ideal for weight management, which is critical for preventing excessive joint strain. Their versatility allows them to be boiled, scrambled, or incorporated into various recipes, making them easy to include in daily meals. For enhanced collagen production, pair egg whites with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus, fruits, or green vegetables. This combination maximizes nutrient absorption, offering a simple yet effective strategy for joint care. Consistency is key. Regular consumption ensures noticeable improvements in joint health. White beans are a rich source of zinc and copper, two minerals vital for collagen formation. These elements act as cofactors, activating enzymes that boost the body's natural collagen production, essential for protecting joints and preventing degeneration. Their anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce leg swelling, making white beans a therapeutic addition to any diet. Zinc aids tissue regeneration, alleviating pain and stiffness, particularly in those with arthritis or joint wear, while copper enhances blood vessel formation and joint elasticity, improving circulation and reducing fluid retention. In addition to minerals, white beans provide fiber and plant-based protein, supporting glycemic control and satiety. This helps regulate chronic inflammation and prevents joint overload, directly improving quality of life. Their creamy texture and neutral flavor make them versatile for soups, salads, or side dishes. Slow cooking releases additional nutrients, enhancing their collagen-boosting effects. White beans are a cost-effective, practical choice for supporting joint health and reducing leg discomfort. Coconut water is more than a refreshing drink. It's a natural source of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which reduce swelling and maintain tissue hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for synovial fluid, which lubricates joints, reducing friction and discomfort. Coconut water's potassium content regulates blood pressure and circulation, minimizing fluid retention and the heavy sensation in legs, especially for those who stand or sit for long periods. With mild anti-inflammatory properties, coconut water helps alleviate minor joint discomfort and supports muscle recovery by reducing oxidative stress. Drinking a glass daily, particularly after lunch or as an afternoon refreshment, can provide significant relief. Its subtle flavor makes it easy to incorporate into smoothies or juices, especially when combined with antioxidant-rich fruits. By maintaining an optimal cellular environment, coconut water enhances collagen metabolism, making it a simple yet effective addition to a joint-healthy diet. Purple fruits like blackberries, blueberries, and dark grapes are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect collagen fibers from free radical damage. This preservation is crucial for maintaining joint health and functionality over time. Anthocyanins also have potent anti-inflammatory properties, making these fruits ideal for those with chronic joint pain. Resveratrol, another antioxidant in these fruits, improves blood circulation, reducing leg swelling and enhancing nutrient delivery to joints for cartilage regeneration. These fruits also provide fiber, which regulates blood sugar and supports weight management, reducing joint strain. Their versatility allows them to be eaten raw, juiced, blended into smoothies, or mixed with yogurt and oats. Their natural sweetness curbs cravings for sugary desserts, supporting overall health. Regular consumption improves joint elasticity, reduces spider vein visibility, and enhances skin firmness, offering both internal and external benefits for leg and joint health. Kale, a nutrient-dense leafy green, is packed with vitamin K, which supports bone and blood vessel health by facilitating calcium binding and preventing arterial calcification. This strengthens joints and improves circulation, reducing leg swelling. Kale's anti-inflammatory properties, combined with vitamins C and A, create a robust defense against joint degeneration. Its high chlorophyll content supports detoxification, enhancing collagen metabolism and amplifying the benefits of other collagen-rich foods. Kale's magnesium and potassium content helps regulate blood pressure and circulation, alleviating leg heaviness. Its versatility allows it to be consumed raw, sautéed, or blended into juices, making it easy to incorporate into daily meals. Consistent consumption is key to unlocking its benefits, as occasional intake won't yield significant results. Kale is a practical, lightweight vegetable that acts as a natural pharmacy for joint and circulatory health. Sunflower seeds, though small, are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen fibers from breakdown, maintaining firmer, more functional joints. Vitamin E also counters free radicals that cause joint inflammation, offering both protection and prevention. The seed's selenium content reduces joint pain and swelling by supporting tissue regeneration and immune function, promoting smoother movements. Regular consumption of sunflower seeds improves skin elasticity in the legs, minimizing sagging and enhancing firmness. They also support hormone balance, particularly during menopause, when joint discomfort may increase. Add them to salads, yogurt, smoothies, or enjoy as a snack for a convenient nutrient boost. Opt for unsalted, raw, or lightly toasted varieties to maximize benefits while avoiding sodium-related drawbacks. Brazil nuts are a concentrated source of selenium, a mineral critical for collagen synthesis and immune function. Just one nut meets the daily selenium requirement, protecting collagen fibers from premature deterioration and reducing joint inflammation. Their healthy fats lubricate joints and enhance skin elasticity, while also aiding the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like E and A, which strengthen collagen. Brazil nuts improve blood circulation, reducing leg swelling and heaviness, especially for those with prolonged standing or sitting. Their magnesium content relaxes muscles and joints, alleviating tension and pain. Consume 1 or 2 nuts daily to reap these benefits without excessive calorie intake. Their portability makes them an easy addition to any routine, offering a simple yet powerful way to support joint health. Acerola, a potent source of vitamin C, is essential for collagen production, supporting joint, skin, and connective tissue health. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce joint pain and swelling, particularly in the knees, ankles, and hands. Acerola's low-calorie profile makes it suitable for all ages, and its immune-boosting effects enhance the body's response to inflammation and regeneration. The fruit's tangy flavor pairs well in juices, smoothies, or with other antioxidant-rich fruits like blueberries. This synergy protects and rejuvenates joints, making acerola a convenient addition to a busy lifestyle. Regular consumption ensures lasting health benefits, offering a natural, effective way to support collagen production in joint health. Cucumber, especially with its skin, is rich in silica, a mineral crucial for collagen production and joint elasticity. Silica strengthens connective tissues, reducing stiffness and cracking in knees and ankles. Cucumber's high water content supports cellular hydration and toxin removal, minimizing leg swelling caused by fluid retention. Its vitamin K enhances vascular health